I'll show you in this video how you can make your text bold. So let's jump right into this video, how to make text bold on Wix website. And also, if you're new to my channel or you're gonna find this short video helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So what you're gonna have to do here, we have this part here of our website. This is just a testing website to make some tutorials, but it's not defined, it's not worked on, it's just a template. Just so you know, because that I wouldn't consider this a website. It's just like doesn't look the way I want. It's just a testing website. Anyways, so we're gonna have to click on here on edit text. Of course, you know how to edit your text. Just click on edit text here. You can actually, let me show you how to add some text. You can add element, and then here text. We're gonna have here a few different kind of like presets. We have theme text, title text, and then here we have some paragraphs. So I'll grab this one here. I'll just actually click on it. Then here if I want to, I can click on here, change design, or actually just change text, right? Here I'm just gonna click on edit text. And here we have a few different style fonts. You can change your style from here. Also, this one has a bold. Okay, it is with text with a bold. You can also edit this theme, but I'm getting into something that this story is not about. But anyways, if you click on it and then you can click on edit text, you can then go here, and which is already selected, and make that your text bold. And I think it's more visible here. And if I click this actually a bold text, already a bold text. This one, let's try this one. This is already bold text, but what I'm saying basically, you can also create a copy, a duplicate if you hold option and drag. You can just click on here to make your text bold, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Thanks for watching, and if you found this short video helpful, subscribe for more. Take care.